How to delete video language on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete video language on TikTok mobile. First thing, go to TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click the storylines here, and now click settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find content preferences and then video languages. And now all you need to do, if you want to remove it, just click this icon here and then click remove, and as you see the language have been removed. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.